Congrats on your new Opal Mini, the newest way to enjoy nugget ice at home. Let's get your Opal Mini set up in just a few simple steps. First, let's connect. Connecting gives you more control over your Opal, allowing you to order parts like replacement filters and schedule ice production. You'll find 2 QR codes on the top of the unit. Scan the QR code on the left to download the SmartHQ app and connect your Opal Mini. Hold the power button for 3 seconds to start the Wi-Fi connection. If you're not near a sink, move your Opal Mini to one so you can run a quick cleaning cycle before making your first batch of ice. Add 1 teaspoon of bleach to the reservoir and fill with filtered or distilled water. Tap clean to begin the rinse cycle. This should take roughly 3 minutes. You only will do the cleaning cycle with the bleach at setup. Repeat this process 3 times with just water. After cleaning is complete, plug your drain hose, reassemble it into the front storage compartment, and replace the decorative panel. For best performance and maintenance, we recommend descaling your Opal every 3 months. Your Opal Mini comes with 1 descale packet, and you can purchase additional descale packets through SmartHQ. Next, if your unit came with a filter, prep the filter for installation. You'll want to soak the filter in water for 5 minutes and then rinse under water after it's been soaked. Remove the filter cover and then insert the filter into the reservoir and press down until secure. We recommend replacing your filter every 3 months, but if you do not replace your filter, reinstall the filter cover. You will get reminders to replace your filter in SmartHQ and can purchase replacement filters through the SmartHQ app. If your model includes a side tank or you purchased one separately, you will want to connect the valved end of the included side tank tube to the back of the tank base and attach the other side to the ice maker. Make sure the tube is pushed all the way in on both sides. Place the included clip under the Opal, set the base on the clip, fill your tank with water, and then set it into the base. Once the side tank is connected, water should start to flow and your Opal will start making ice. If your unit does not have a side tank, your unit may have top fill, which allows you to fill from the top. Listen for 3 beeps and the light to turn on, which notifies you when the unit is full. If you don't have top fill, you can fill under the bin in the reservoir to the max fill line. If your unit is not already on, tap the power button to begin making ice. You will start to see ice drop after 5 minutes and have a full bin in roughly 90 minutes. Fresh, legit nugget ice will be ready before you know it. Now your Opal Mini is ready to use. For best performance, make sure you descale and replace filters every 3 months or when notified. Enjoy the ice everyone loves right from your own countertop.